Hello everyone and welcome in our channel Devenir professionnel. That's mean in English being professional. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable this small button on your website. So as you're watching, this small button allow your visitors to switch between languages, and you know the rule. Can't read, won't buy. So this small button will enhance your businesses and will help you to generate more sales. Also, to enable this button, you don't need to hire anyone, and also you don't need to translate your website. I will share with you a magic solution that you can use to enhance your business. But before we go on this tutorial, I just want to remind you to don't forget to subscribe on our channel or to let us a comment under this video. Thank you so much.
Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve.
In this example, I'm using this beautiful template that can allowing you to build and to create your marketplace. But in this tutorial, it's not our issue. What I want to share with you in this video is how to enable this small button here that you see. This small button allowing to the internet users to switch between languages. Of course, for me, I just choose 2 languages, but for you, you can add as much as you want of the languages. That's depend of your niche. So if I click now, for example, in this button, I can translate my website to the French languages. So here now you can put yourself on the place of the customer. Suppose, for example, that you enter to this website, but you don't understand the French languages. Is it possible for you, for example, to buy something here? Of course not. So this is what feel an internet user that doesn't understand your default languages. So that's why it's very important to enable this small button here to allow to the internet users to switch between languages, and this has a lot of benefits. Localizing your website will give you the chance to massively increase your audience, and you will be seen by a mega pool of potential buyers for your product. Also, this small button here allowing you to satisfy the majority, because you're proving to them that you have the interest of your customers in your mind by allowing each user here to choose his native languages, and then you can increase and enhance your sales and reducing the bounce. Because the rule is too simple. I can't read, I won't buy. The customer or user will be likely to buy a product with information in their own languages. So this is important to keep this in your mind. Also, a multi-language website can allow you to increase international traffic and SEO. So all that benefits, we can get them only by enabling this small button here on our language. So to enable this, you don't need to hire a professional translator or to have a background on the development web. So it's very easy to enable this button on your WordPress or any kind of website that you can see on his list now. So now let's to install this plugin on our WordPress. To integrate this button on your website, so all what you need is to do 2 steps. The first one, go to your dashboard, click on the plugin, add new, and write this, copy this. Then you need to install this plugin and to activate it. Once you activate your plugin, click on the plugins, and then click on the settings. Then you will be redirected to this page. So now here we need to find and to get an API key. To get this API key, you need just to click on the link under this video, and you will be redirected to this page. So feel free to fill this form, and once you finish the inscription, you will be redirected to your dashboard on the Convides. So here there is my current plan. I'm using the Pro one. I have the right of 6 languages, and here I have the right of 200,000 words that I can translate. So you need now to get this API key. Just copy this and go to your dashboard and paste it here. Choose the source language, for me it's English, and choose the target languages. In my current plan, I have 6 languages. So that's depend on the plan that you have. Choose when you register on the Convidis. So in this example, I'm choosing only French language. So then you can click on the to show more option and feel free to choose only here between yes and no. It's very easy to choose. For example, allow, change text direction from left to right, yes or no. That's depend to you. So here's some style for the picture. You can see this preview as you see. So it's feel free to configure this, so you don't need help here, and we will not lose time here. So you can choose the background of the color and everything you want, and once you finish, you can just click on the save changes. So when you finish, so you can not translate your website, because there is still another step that we have to do on our dashboard on the Convidis. So click here on the domains and you will be redirected to this page, my domain. As you see, I have already added devenirprofessionnel.com. So click on the add domain, add your domain name and choose the technology that you're using. For our example, we are using WordPress, so you can choose between those technologies. As you see, it's very easy to integrate it to your website. So I will click on exit. So here, as you see, you have only for my current plan, I have 200,000 available words. So, but I can add this program to many domains. Another point that I want to show you is that you have the file control for your translation. Click on this button here, as you're watching, because I have already translated my website to the Spanish. So you have the file control. You can edit the translation here, as you see, view. So, for example, your email address will not be published. Votre adresse email ne sera pas publiée. Alors, je peux facilement, I can custom my translation. So now, as you're watching, you have the file control for your translation. You can control it from your dashboard on the Convidis. So now, if you go to your website and you refresh your website now, the translation will work fine. Here, this is the English version, so I will translate it to the French version. Louer des propriétés uniques dans le monde entier. So as you see, it's very easy to integrate it on your website. You don't need to hire a professional translator or to have a background on the development web. So if you have any questions, please feel free to write me, and I hope that this video will be useful for your business, and I think that this option can increase your sales and allowing you to satisfy the majority, because the customer prefer always to buy a product with informations in his own language. So the rule of e-commerce is too simple. I can't read, I won't buy. So see you in the next video.
Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve.